Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Roborock app setup for your Roborock Qrevo Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, download and install the Roborock app. It's available for iOS and Android devices. Sign in or create your account. Once you do, you'll be at this screen where we can view all of our currently connected and set up devices. So to add our new device, select the top right-hand corner, the plus icon. That will bring up your camera where we can scan the code on the vacuum right there. Or if you don't have a code, you can manually enter it as well. You can just choose from make and model. But we're going to scan the code since we have it. And it's super fast and responsive. So we're taken to this screen now. We need to press down the power and dock buttons for 3 seconds until you hear resetting the Wi-Fi voice prompt. So we'll do that now.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
There's the voice prompt. We have our Wi-Fi light in here too. It's blinking blue for those that are interested and want to see that. So with that out of the way, we check the box and now we select next, where we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Please connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This will not work with 5 gigahertz network. So connect to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter your password, then select next. Now we have this prompt where we need to join and connect to the robots network. So go ahead, select join. Then it will work on connecting to the device.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Standby.
Just got a voice prompt connecting to Wi-Fi standby. We'll wait for one more prompt. We'll hear it on the vacuum first. Then it takes the app like another second or two to catch up to what's going on.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected. There we go. Now wait a second. Boom, now we can select use now, and it's loading into the vacuum. All right, vacuum's loaded up. We have to agree to this info right there. Now it's gonna work on bringing up all of our device settings with a quick start guide here, walking through prep instructions. We can toggle certain things on or off. I want carpet boost on and multi-level mapping. You can change these features later. This will save up to 4 maps for those interested. Do not disturb, I like to turn that off. I don't need that on. And then our map saving, definitely. And here we go. We're now into the app with all of our settings. And the first thing we'll want to do is create a quick map so we can start using and configuring our space to get the best clean possible. But that's it, guys. Simple, straightforward, nothing else you need to do. That's all you have to do to get this set up with the Roborock app.